Good day viewers and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I want to share with us a very powerful spiritual tips that can help you remove movement objects in your body. Are you suffering from movement object? Has they sent manipulation spirit of movement object to you and it has been sucking your blood, making you to fall sick, making you to go from one hospital to the other? This message is for you. All you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. You are welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual TV. Thank you so much once again for stopping by. My name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problems, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plant, natural root, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energies, frequencies, power, and vibration in order to make our spiritual tips for us to have a better result. So if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face or joining us, please do me a favor to become a bona fide member of this channel. Subscribe to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll get notified. Like my videos, share my videos, comment on the comment section, invite your friends, invite your family, invite your well-wishers to be a partaker of this channel. And for those of you who are my backbones, my day one gang, my returning subscribers, my bona fide viewers, those of you who has been supporting me in money and in kind, patronizing me, even those of you who have already sent me Christmas gift without us even being on a Christmas day, I pray for you that where others go and fail, you will go there and survive. And where they find it difficult, it shall be easy for you. It is never yet over until it is over. Before the end of 2023, my God is going to put a smile on your face. Now, without wasting each and every one of our time, are you watching me on here or you are going to watch me later? If this is your first time or joining us, you are welcome once again. Please go down to our old videos. Check our old YouTube videos. They might be a solution to your problem. Just watch our old videos. You will see something to give testimony about. Today's recipe is all about moving object. You that are watching me on here, you have been complaining. You have been sick, but you don't know where the sickness is coming from. Something is moving all over your body. It makes you run temperature. It makes you get tired. It makes you feel uncomfortable. Each ₦1 you make, you use it to buy medication. You use it to buy drugs in order to solve your problem, in order to solve your spiritual problem. You have been to the doctors, you have been to the physicians, you have been to the pastors, you have been to the native doctors, you have been to spiritualists like me for the solution of the moving object, but up to no avail. I have come with this recipe, with these spiritual tips, with this powerful information that will help you. If you try these 7 good days and that moving object did not leave your body, my sister, my brother, put me on the call. Call me on the phone. My number is +2347088136610. I have the antidote to moving object, but I want to give you these tips because I know that these tips have helped a lot of people. All you need on these tips is your garlic clove. Number 1 item is garlic clove. Number 2 is your sea salt. Number 3 is your lemon. I don't have lemon here. Number 4 is your early morning urine. 4 spiritual materials that we are going to use to destroy movement object. But before I go on to tell you how you are going to prepare this spiritual etepete that will help you to remove that thing that is crawling inside your body, moving all over your body, making you to fall sick, making you to look miserable, making you to feel uncomfortable, I would like to introduce my product here because it's called Walk and Chop. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima and I'm a spiritualist. We have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. And a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. It has been helping people, solving people's problem, bringing people out of their bondages, bringing people out of stagnation, opening doors for them, and healing their sicknesses and diseases. Now, if you need any of these spiritual materials, don't hesitate to call me on the phone to grab your copy. We have the road opening soap. If there's a lot of blockages on your way, when you are using this soap to bathe, your road will be opening. We have the back to sender soap. If you that live in Europe, in America, in South America, in Asia, in Africa, that they are throwing evil arrows to, they are throwing attack. When you are using this soap to bathe, every evil arrow will return back to sender. We have the Love Me and Marry Me soap. In case you are into a relationship, that man has been deceiving you, that woman has been deceiving you, he has been eating your money, he don't want to marry you, he don't want to talk about anything about marriage, only friendship and you people being partner. When you are using this soap to bait, that man will go and pay your bride price. It is called Love Me and Marry Me soap. We have the Mercy and Favor soap. Then we have the Hand Me Not soap. In case you are afraid that your fellow human being is going to harm you, that they are going to kill you, when you are using this Hand Me Not soap to bait, every utterances and enchantment of any man or any woman will return back to sender. We also have the anti-witchcraft soap. For those of you who are under witchcraft activities, has the witchcraft people been causing delay, causing rising and falling, causing sicknesses, coming at night to tear your body, to suck your blood? When you are using this anti-witchcraft soap to take your bait, every witchcraft activities in your life will stop. We have the Favor soap. We have the Love and Attraction soap. We have the Stop Evil oil. 99 demon manipulation stop evil oil. Then we have the A4 plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison remover, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover. Have you eaten something in the dream? Has they given you poison in the dream and it has become affliction? You have been sick. When you go to the doctors, they diagnose nothing. They don't see anything and you are dying slowly. Something is crawling inside your head, moving inside your chest, moving at your tummy, crawling even in your ankles, in your pussy, in your ass. You are being restless. You cannot feel comfortable because of the moving object. I have the antidote to your moving object, to your problem. It is called A4 plus detox, anti-witchcraft poison devourer, poison remover. This product is tested and trusted. You can ask my fans in US. You can ask my fans in Germany and Canada. They have purchased a lot of this product and it has been from one testimony to the other. It has been testimony galore. All you need to do is to contact me on my WhatsApp number +2347088136610. That is my WhatsApp number. Let us discuss on modalities on how I can get my product to you. I ship all part of the whole world: Europe, Asia, America, South America, Africa. Yes, and if you want me to join to do spiritual work for you, you want me to look into your spiritual challenges, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. Don't also forget that we have protection bracelets, attraction bracelets. We have also Love Magnificent soap. All these products are spiritually made, locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. God bless you. Without wasting each and every one of your time, let's go back for today's recipe on how you can remove movement object, spiritual movement object, physically movement object. Is it the one that you have inflicted by yourself? Is it the one that is coming like infection? So movement comes like an infection. And when you are treating infection, you will be treating infection without knowing that it's spiritual. And that will delay you. If you don't take time, that sickness will kill you. But it will never kill my people because I have the antidote and I have brought these tips for you to help yourself. Number one materials that you are going to be needing is your garlic clove. Yes, garlic is good for our body system. Garlic repairs. It destroys every evil utterances, every evil enchantment, every evil power, every evil attack in our dwelling place, in our life. So what you will be needing is 14 cloves of garlic on this recipe and 1 clove of lemon, 1 ball of lemon. How is this recipe best done? You have to crush the 14 cloves of garlic. Then bring the lemon, cut it horizontally into 2. Press the juice out. After pressing the juice out, blend the garlic, 14 cloves, add water to it, and shifter it. Take the water. Bring your sea salt, 1 spoon of sea salt. Add inside that water, inside the garlic water and the lemon water. Then keep it for early morning. By 3 a.m. when you wake up, your early morning urine, when you urinate, add it to that water. Then you begin to pray. Hold the container. You must look for a container like this so you can add it. Let it be, this mixture, make it to be 1 glass cup. Make the mixture to be 1 glass cup. Let everything become 1 glass cup. Then you hold it and begin to pray. Every movement object in my life, every evil that any man or any woman that is made upon the image that God has made me has cast in me, through my dream, or through handshake, or through enchantment or incantation, or through dream, they have fed me through dream. They have access with me through dream. And it has become affliction of the devil into my life. It has turned to movement object. As I use this recipe, I call the universe, I call the God in heaven, I call my father's deities and ancestors from 4 corners of the earth. I call the guardians, the sea, the air, the fire, for them to come and descend on this recipe. As I drink this substance, oh Lord, let every movement object in my body cease. Then you drink a little. Take a shot, 1 shot from the glass and drink. Then take a little, use it to rub all over your body where you feel those movement objects. Drink it early in the morning and rub it on your body. At night before you go to bed, drink it again and rub it on your body. The next day, drink it again and rub it on your body. And don't forget to make your prayers. Do this for good 4 days and come back here with your testimony. This is tested and trusted. He uses the foolish thing to confirm the wise. Anointing no be juju and power no be powder. The spiritual control the physical realm. Go and try this, end that movement object. But if you do this recipe for 4 days, if it does not stop your own movement object, then you contact me. I have the herbal medicine for it. It is called Equable Plus Detox. But this is just a little tips. Because of my fans, those that cannot buy my product, I give you these tips for you to save your life, for me to save your life. That is why I am here. Go and try this out and come back with your testimony. And God bless you as you keep watching me, as you keep subscribing, as you keep patronizing me, as you keep introducing me to people. May my God never leave you, and so shall it be. Have a nice day. See you in my next video. Bye for now.